Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today, so if you're watching and recording, you are welcome to stay with us through hellos or fast forward to the beginning of the actual practice. Good morning, Belle. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Yanni. Good morning, Jana. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Leo. All right, guys, it is time for us to start. And today we will explore the concept of preemptive gratitude. We have done it before, some time ago, but maybe some of you haven't. Anyway, it's good to repeat. In theory, we are all aware of the benefits of gratitude practice. And yet, because of our programming, we may feel that we cannot experience gratitude until there is something absolutely tangible, some tangible evidence that we have already received something good. So if I haven't already gotten it, how can I feel grateful, right? And yet it's being in that place of gratitude, of trust in life's abundance, that so often and so powerfully brings whatever we want to us more quickly. So if we can allow ourselves to feel gratitude for whatever it is we want, even before we see it, even before it's in our hands, that can be really powerful stuff. So the practice today is based on the EFT tapping script from one of my favorite EFT experts, Brad Yates. And you can Google him and find lots of tapping videos with him if you want to. He's really good. Totally recommend. So if you already know how to do tapping and if you like it, you can do it as I read through the script. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, you don't know what tapping is, you can simply tap lightly on the center of your chest or hug yourself and tap lightly on your shoulders or arms. But if you don't like tapping, which I know some of you don't, that's perfectly fine, no worries. You can simply follow along without any physical add-on to the practice. So tapping or no tapping does not matter. Let's begin. Take a comfortable position and as usual, take a few moments to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice. External, internal, letting each cycle of breath gently dissolve the boundary between the inner and the outer. Allow your breath to be soft and easy, uncontrolled. Invite effortlessness into your body, into your mind, into your heart. How does that feel? To be effortless. Scan your body from top to bottom and notice whatever you notice. And with each exhale, see if you can lean in just a little bit more into the support of the earth. Soften. Release tension that can be released at the moment. And now if you'd like to, you can start tapping as I read the script, or simply follow along without physical contact. I choose to feel grateful now. I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to already feel grateful for what I want. And I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to already feel grateful as though I already have what I want, because it feels really good and it helps manifest things. So I choose to already feel grateful. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. I choose to already feel grateful. I choose to already feel grateful. There are things I'd like to have in my life. And part of my programming tells me that I have to wait until it's actually in my hands before I say thank you. And so I'm clearing that programming by saying thank you now. Thank you for the blessings that I have. And thank you for the blessings I will receive. And maybe part of me resists this. If I already feel grateful for it, maybe the universe will say there is no need for it to give it to me. Or maybe I'll stop myself from trying to get it. Now I'm clearing all the reasons why I couldn't or shouldn't feel grateful already. I allow myself to feel grateful right now. Since everything is energy, I am already connected to what I want. And in some ways, I do already have it. So I am allowing myself to feel grateful for it. Allowing myself to already feel grateful in body, mind, and heart. Take a nice breath in and out. And trust the process. Pay attention to the magic that's going to happen as you engage more and more in preemptive gratitude practice. I would like to complete today, to conclude our practice today with a poem by Dana Foltz, of course. It's called The Real Riches. My wealth is wonder. True abundance is the delight I feel on summer nights as fireflies rise from the grass and Orion strides across the sky. I measure my wealth in birdseed and hummingbird feeders, in the number of purple morning glories, the vines on the back of deck, in a light, divine connection, self-expression, love. These are the real riches of my life. So as you go through your day today, whenever you remember, Try this preemptive gratitude practice, allowing yourself to be already grateful for whatever it is you want to receive, and watch the magic happen. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.